How to replace a human touch Novo X upper massage mechanism. You will need a power drill with 7-inch Phillips head and flathead bits, short-handled Phillips head screwdriver, 4mm Allen wrench, wire cutter, zip ties, and the pry tool that came with the chair. You may also wish to use gripped gloves when disconnecting air hoses. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, we'll remove the upper doors. Using the pry tool that came with the chair, pry the right-hand upper door panel off the door. Disconnect the remote, then place it on the seat. Next, disconnect the 3 flat upper door connectors. Turn the round connector lock to unlock it, then disconnect the connectors. Disconnect the air hose. You may wish to use gripped gloves to make this easier. Using a 4mm Allen wrench, remove the 4 screws that secure the metal collar to the chair. Remove the upper door from the chair. Using the pry tool that came with the chair, pry the left-hand upper door panel off the door. Disconnect the 3 flat connectors and the air hose. Using a 4mm Allen wrench, remove the 4 screws that secure the metal collar to the chair. Remove the upper door from the chair. Next, we'll remove the back cover. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws that secure the back cover to the chair. You will need a short-handled screwdriver to remove the 2 lower screws. Remove the back cover from the chair. Next, we'll remove the upper backrest. Cut the zip tie that secures the right-hand speaker cable, then disconnect the upper wide connectors, the air hose, and the lower wide connector. Repeat this step on the left-hand side. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws that secure the right-hand backrest side panel. Pull outward on the side panel to remove it. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 lower screws from the metal brackets on the right-hand side of the backrest. Remove the 4 screws that secure the left-hand backrest side panel. Pull outward on the side panel to remove it. Remove the 4 lower screws from the metal brackets on the left-hand side of the backrest. Unzip the top of the backrest pad from the backrest. Remove the upper backrest from the chair. Next, we'll detach the backrest frame. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws that secure the left-hand plastic housing. Remove the housing. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the upper screw and 3 side screws that secure the left side of the plastic backrest frame to the metal chair frame. You will need a 7-inch drill bit to reach the screw. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws that secure the right-hand plastic housing. Remove the upper screw and 3 side screws that secure the right-hand side of the plastic backrest frame to the metal chair frame. Now we're ready to remove the massage mechanism. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, loosen the 2 screws that secure the upper white plastic bracket covering the massage mechanism strap, then remove the bracket. Remove the lower white plastic bracket. Using a 4mm Allen wrench, remove the 4 screws that secure the rolling motor to the massage mechanism frame. Using a 4mm Allen wrench, remove the 2 screws on each side of the black metal plate at the top of the massage mechanism track, then remove the plate. Using a wire cutter, cut and remove the 5 zip ties that secure the massage mechanism harness to the horizontal metal chair frame. Cut and remove the zip tie that secures the massage mechanism wiring to the side chair frame. Cut and remove the zip tie that secures the wiring bundle near the bottom of the chair frame. Cut and remove the zip tie that secures one of the massage mechanism connectors, then disconnect it. Remove the red connector lock from the other connector and disconnect it. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screw that secures the ground wires to the chair frame. Using a drill with a flathead bit, insert the drill bit into the top of the rolling motor, then rotate it clockwise to move the massage mechanism upward until the lower wheels reach the top of the track. Lift the massage mechanism out of the track, then remove the 4 white plastic wheels. Now, let's replace it. First we'll install the new massage mechanism. Before installing the new massage mechanism, use a 4mm Allen wrench to remove the 4 screws that secure the rolling motor to the massage mechanism frame. Install the 4 plastic wheels you removed from the old massage mechanism onto the new mechanism. With the massage arms facing forward, place the lower massage mechanism wheels into the track. Tilt the rolling motor toward you, then insert a flathead drill bit into the top of the motor. Rotate the drill bit counterclockwise to move the massage mechanism down the track until the limit switch clears the magnet. Feed the harness behind the chair frame. Install the red connector lock onto the massage mechanism connector of the same size, then connect it to the corresponding connector from the chair. Connect the other massage mechanism connector to the corresponding connector from the chair. Install a new zip tie around the connection lengthwise to secure the 2 connectors. Cut the excess zip tie. Install both ground wire loops onto the ground wire screw, followed by the washer, then secure the ground wires using the hole in the chair frame. Gather the ground wires and the massage mechanism harness wires, then secure them using a new zip tie. Cut the excess zip tie. Remove any remnant zip tie material from the double loop zip tie located near the round blue filter. Insert a new zip tie strap through one side of the double loop zip tie head, wrap it around the two loose air hoses, then insert it back through the other side of the double loop zip tie head. The longer hose runs to the upper door and the shorter hose is marked with the number 1. Pull the strap to loosely close the loop. Feed the zip tie strap through the round blue filter. Wrap it around the massage mechanism harness wiring. Wrap it around the horizontal bar on the side of the chair frame, then secure it. Cut the excess zip tie. Clear the other double loop zip tie of any zip tie remnants. Insert a new zip tie strap through one side of the double loop zip tie head, wrap it around the upper door air hose, then insert it back through the other side of the double loop zip tie head. Wrap the zip tie around the massage mechanism harness and the right-hand side of the horizontal chair frame, then secure it. Cut the excess zip tie. Install a new zip tie a couple inches to the left to secure the massage mechanism harness to the chair frame. Install a new zip tie another couple inches to the left to secure the massage mechanism harness and the speaker cable to the chair frame. Install 2 more zip ties a couple inches apart to finish securing the massage mechanism harness to the chair frame. Cut the excess zip ties. Holding the rolling motor against the massage mechanism frame, replace and hand tighten the 4 Allen screws. Use a 4mm Allen wrench to finish tightening the screws. Place the lower white plastic bracket over the massage mechanism strap, then use a Phillips head screwdriver to secure it to the massage mechanism. Replace the upper white plastic bracket. Place the metal bar into position at the top of the massage mechanism track, then replace the 4 Allen screws to secure it. Next, we'll secure the backrest frame. On the right-hand side, replace and partially tighten the top and upper 2 side screws that secure the plastic backrest frame to the metal chair frame. Fully tighten the lower side screw, then finish tightening the other 3 screws. On the left-hand side, replace and partially tighten the top and upper 2 side screws. Fully tighten the lower side screw, then finish tightening the other 3 screws. Locate the black plastic housing with the letter L, for left, inside. Place the housing into position, then replace the 4 screws to secure it. Install the other plastic housing on the right-hand side. Next, we'll replace the upper backrest. Note the upper and lower posts on each side of the chair frame. Note the upper and lower brackets on each side of the upper backrest. Aligning the posts with the brackets, install the upper backrest onto the chair. You will need to pull the connectors and hoses on each side through the upper backrest holes. Confirm that the lower posts are installed in the brackets. Replace the 4 screws on the left-hand side to secure the upper backrest to the chair. Locate the left-hand backrest side panel with the letter L, for left, inside. Place the panel into position, aligning the posts on the panel with the sockets on the chair, then push firmly to snap the posts into the sockets. Replace the 4 screws to secure the backrest side panel. Replace the 4 screws on the right-hand side to secure the upper backrest to the chair. Snap the right-hand backrest side panel into position, then replace the 4 screws to secure it. On the right-hand side of the backrest, reconnect the lower white connector from the chair to the white connector on the backrest that is next to the blue connector. Reconnect the backrest air hose to the corresponding air hose from the chair, making sure the hose is installed all the way onto the fitting. Reconnect the upper white connector to the corresponding connector from the chair. Install a new zip tie to secure the speaker cable to the other cable. Cut the excess zip tie. Repeat these steps on the left-hand side to connect the air hose and connectors and secure the speaker cable. Next, we'll replace the back cover. Note the tabs along the edge of the back cover. Note the corresponding slots on the chair. Insert the tabs into the slots, then press firmly on the back cover to secure it. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, replace the 4 back cover screws. You will need a short-handled Phillips head screwdriver to replace the 2 lower screws. Next, we'll replace the upper doors. Install the blade on the front of the left-hand door into the slot on the lower left-hand door, then pull the hose and all of the connectors through the hole in the door. Using a 4mm Allen wrench, replace the 4 screws to secure the metal collar to the chair. Connect the 3 flat connectors and install the hose all the way onto the fitting. Align the door panel posts with the sockets on the door, then press the edges of the panel to snap the posts into the sockets. Install the blade on the front of the upper right-hand door into the slot on the lower door, then pull the hose and all of the connectors through the hole in the door. Using a 4mm Allen wrench, replace the 4 screws to secure the metal collar to the chair. Connect the 3 flat connectors and install the hose all the way onto the fitting. Connect the round remote connectors, aligning the pins with the sockets, then turn the connector lock to secure it. Align the door panel posts with the sockets on the door, then press the edges of the panel to snap the posts into the sockets. Now let's wrap it up. Zip the top of the backrest pad to the backrest. Aligning the pins with the sockets, plug the remote into the corresponding connector from the chair. Plug in the chair, then power it on. Power on the remote. Press the power button again, then select power off to restore the chair. The chair is restored when the door touch panel lights turn from red to blue and the remote automatically powers off.